Hi, today I'm for the Motorola Moto G32 and I'll show you how to install a phone keyboard on this device. First, we should open the Play Store app and in the search bar we should enter the green Apple keyboard. So now we should get this application. That's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. So after that, just tap to open the app, click Enable in Settings and near green Apple keyboard, click on the switcher, tap twice to OK and go back. Click to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. So now the process is finished and let's check the new keyboard in the search. And we could see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone one as all of the emojis. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.